In the next few hours, 4 astronauts will slam into Earth's atmosphere at over 25,000 miles per hour. And if anything goes wrong here, there is no second chance. Right now, they're inside the Orion spacecraft, heading straight toward the most dangerous part of the entire Artemis II mission. Not the launch, not the trip around the moon. This. Because they're not landing. They're hitting the atmosphere at a speed so high, the air itself becomes the threat. At nearly 25,000 miles per hour, the air in front of the spacecraft gets compressed so violently it turns into plasma, a superheated layer of gas, burning at around 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt metal, hot enough to destroy the spacecraft completely. And the only thing standing between them and that heat is a single heat shield. No backup, no escape system, just one layer, taking the full force of re-entry. And here's what makes this even worse. During the last mission, that heat shield didn't behave exactly as expected. It held, but it showed signs of unusual wear. Now imagine that same situation, but with 4 humans inside. To survive this, everything has to be perfect. The angle, the speed, the timing. Because they can't just dive straight in. Instead, the spacecraft hits the atmosphere and actually skips back out. Then, it comes in again for a second descent. It sounds insane, but it's the only way to reduce the heat and survive. If the angle is too steep, they burn up. Too shallow, and they skip off the atmosphere and could be lost in space. There is almost no margin for error. And all of this is happening automatically, at hypersonic speeds. In just a few minutes, it will either work perfectly or it won't. If it does, parachutes deploy, the capsule slows down and splashes safely into the ocean. If it doesn't, this mission ends differently. Right now, this is the moment that decides everything. Because surviving this means we've proven something critical, that humans can go deep into space and actually make it back alive. And if you want more videos that break down moments like this in real time, hit subscribe, because the next one is even bigger.